Top 5 reasons your calorie deficit is failing. Fix it now. Ever wonder why sticking to a diet feels like climbing a never-ending mountain? It's frustrating, right? But guess what? It's not your fault, not even a bit. Today, we're uncovering the top 5 reasons your calorie deficit might be failing, and more importantly, how you can turn things around starting now. Trust me, the real reason behind those diet failures is going to surprise you. Stick around, because what we're about to share will make eating right feel simpler than ever. As always, this video is educational and does not constitute medical advice. Starvation diets, the hidden trap. Ever felt like your diet was nothing more than a starvation plan in disguise? Trust me, you're not alone, and it's definitely not what your body needs to shed those extra pounds. Let's take a trip back to the 1940s. Ever heard of Ancel Keys and the Minnesota starvation experiment? Keys took healthy young men who opted out of military service and put them on semi-starvation diets. The daily calorie intake? It mirrored what many weight loss diets recommend today, around 1,600 calories. Now, brace yourself for what happened next. Within weeks, these men, who were once vibrant and healthy, started developing eating disorders and mental health issues. Their diet led to an obsession with food, a dramatic drop in sexual interest, and trouble concentrating. Their metabolism slowed, body temperature dropped, and even their heart rates decreased. Essentially, their bodies were in survival mode, burning fewer calories and functioning less efficiently. This research has been around for decades, yet many modern diets still push excessive calorie restriction. Think about it. Chronic starvation leads to food fixation, relentless cravings, and even food-related dreams. In fact, 2 participants from Keys' study became chefs afterward, despite having no prior interest in cooking. Such was their obsession with food after the experiment. Any diet that demands extreme calorie cuts is, in essence, a semi-starvation diet. It's unsustainable and sets you up for failure. It's not your fault, it's the approach that's flawed. No mammal, including humans, can thrive on a starvation diet. Eventually, desperation kicks in, and the need to eat overrides all else. So, what's next? Stay tuned, because we're about to explore more pitfalls and, most importantly, how to escape them. From hidden sugars to nutrient deficiencies, we've got the insights you need to succeed. Don't go anywhere. Your journey to a healthier, happier you is just getting started.
By the way, if you find this health tip useful, check out the quiz below to discover the best personalized diet solution for you in just 60 seconds. Within a minute, you'll know exactly what's right for your health and wellness.
Sugar, the sneaky saboteur. Alright, let's talk about sugar and why it might be derailing your diet. We all know that irresistible pull of something sweet. But here's the kicker. Sugar isn't just tasty, it's addictive. When you eat sugar, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good hormone, making you crave more and more. It's a cycle that's hard to break, and it can seriously mess with your ability to control your sugar intake. This addiction makes it all too easy to overindulge in sugary snacks and drinks, leading to excess calorie consumption, weight gain, and ultimately, a failed diet. But wait, there's more. Overloading on sugar disrupts key hormones like insulin and leptin, which regulate hunger, appetite, and fat storage. When these hormones are out of balance, sticking to your diet and losing weight becomes an uphill battle. Plus, all that sugar causes your blood sugar levels to spike and crash, leaving you moody, tired, and craving even more sweets. It's a vicious cycle that keeps pulling you back in. And here's the kicker. Consuming too much sugar can lead to insulin resistance. This means your body can't effectively use glucose, leading to higher blood sugar levels and making weight loss even more challenging. When your body converts sugar to glucose, any excess that's not used for energy gets stored as fat, particularly around your belly. High sugar intake equals more fat storage, making your dieting efforts feel like a lost cause. So, to sum it up, sugar's addictive nature, its impact on your hormones, and its presence in so many foods can make sticking to a diet and achieving long-term weight loss incredibly tough. Tips to tame your sweet tooth. First off, keep an eye out for added sugars lurking in processed and packaged foods. Sneaky ingredients like high fructose corn syrup and cane sugar can derail your efforts. So check those labels carefully. Instead, go for whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, veggies, grains, and lean proteins. These natural options are way better for keeping those pesky sugar cravings in check. Want to keep your blood sugar levels stable and avoid those spikes and crashes? Mix it up with meals that include protein, healthy fats, and fiber. This combo will help you feel full longer and cut down on the urge to snack on sugary treats. Planning ahead can be a game changer. Prepare healthy snacks and meals in advance so you're not tempted to reach for that candy bar when hunger strikes. Got a sweet tooth? Satisfy it with healthier options like fresh fruits, nuts, or yogurt. And when you're baking or cooking, try natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit. They'll give you that sweetness without the sugar overload. And here's a biggie: stress can trigger sugar cravings. So make sure you're managing stress with relaxation techniques, getting enough sleep, and doing activities that help you relax and unwind. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes. You got this. Up next, we'll tackle vitamin and mineral deficiencies and how they play a role in your weight loss journey. Stay tuned.
By the way, if you find this health tip useful, check out the quiz below to discover the best personalized diet solution for you in just 60 seconds. Within a minute, you'll know exactly what's right for your health and wellness.
Vitamin and mineral deficiencies, the hidden diet destroyer. Ever wonder why your diet isn't working despite your best efforts? One sneaky culprit might be a lack of vitamins and minerals. Yep, you heard that right. Here's the lowdown. When your body is missing key vitamins and minerals, it sends out cravings that can lead you straight to unhealthy snacks. Not your fault. Your body is trying to tell you something important. Some of these essential nutrients regulate hunger and appetite hormones. When you're low on them, your body is constantly screaming, "Feed me," making it tough to stick to any diet. These vitamins and minerals also play a crucial role in nutrient absorption. Without them, your body can't properly absorb what it needs from the food you eat. So even though you're eating, your body still feels like it's not getting enough. Energy levels can also take a hit when you're deficient in these nutrients. Feeling too tired to exercise or even move much? That's your body signaling it needs more vitamins and minerals. And let's not forget metabolism. Many of these nutrients are key players in your body's calorie burning process. If you're low on them, your metabolism can slow down, making weight loss a real struggle. Diets that cut out entire food groups or focus on low-calorie intake can lead to these deficiencies, creating a vicious cycle. A poor diet leads to nutrient shortages, which makes sticking to any diet even harder. Now that you know how these deficiencies can sabotage your diet, let's talk solutions.
Solutions to kick deficiencies to the curb. Switch it up. Don't eat the same thing every day. Vary your food choices to get a mix of vitamins and minerals. Why do diets fail? Often because of the monotony of eating the same foods, leading to nutrient deficiencies and boredom. Nutrient All-Stars. Choose foods that pack a nutrient punch instead of empty calorie options. Whole grains over refined grains, lean proteins like fish or poultry, and plant-based proteins are your allies in the battle against weight loss stagnation. Balanced bites. Aim for a balanced diet with a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Think fruits, veggies, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Diets often fail due to an imbalance in food choices, so focus on the essentials to support your health and wellness. Supplement smartly. Sometimes supplements can help with specific nutrient gaps, especially if you have a restricted diet. But make sure you check with a healthcare professional before popping any pills. Checkups and tests. Get regular checkups and blood tests to keep tabs on your vitamin and mineral levels. Catch any deficiencies before they cause problems. This is one of the most overlooked weight management tips and is crucial to understanding why diets fail. Pro advice. Reach out to a registered dietitian or nutritionist who can help you plan a balanced, nutrient-rich diet that fits your needs and goals. By following these tips, you'll give your body the vitamins and minerals it needs to work its best, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan and hit your weight loss or health goals. Stay tuned, because up next, we'll tackle how using the scale can mislead your progress and what you should focus on instead. By the way, if you find this health tip useful, check out the quiz below to discover the best personalized diet solution for you in just 60 seconds. Within a minute, you'll know exactly what's right for your health and wellness. Using the scale, the weighty misconception. Alright, let's talk about why relying on the scale might not be the best way to measure your diet's success. First off, the scale can be super misleading. Your weight can fluctuate daily for all sorts of reasons: water retention, muscle gain, or hormonal changes. And these fluctuations don't really tell you how well your diet is working. Here's the thing, it's not just about your total weight. What really matters is your body composition. How much of your weight comes from fat versus lean mass like muscles, bones, and organs. The goal should be to reduce body fat while maintaining or even increasing your lean mass. Trust me, this can make a world of difference in how you look, feel, and perform. When you're fixated on the scale, it's easy to become obsessed with losing pounds, leading you to make poor choices like cutting calories too much, skipping meals, or choosing low-quality, low-calorie foods. That's not a recipe for long-term health. This is a major reason why diets fail, focusing on quick fixes instead of considering overall health and wellness. And here's another thing, the scale doesn't capture all the other amazing changes happening. Maybe you're sleeping better, feeling more energized, or just in a better mood. These are all signs your diet is working, even if the scale isn't showing it. Plus, focusing on the scale makes you think short-term. What happens when you stop that specific diet plan? Rebound weight gain, that's what. Diets often fail because of unsustainable approaches to weight management. Let's be real, constantly weighing yourself and stressing over the number can be a real downer. It can mess with your self-esteem and make sticking to a healthy lifestyle harder. This is another common reason why diets fail. So, how can we do better? Start by celebrating non-scale victories, like feeling stronger, sleeping better, or fitting into your favorite pair of jeans. Don't rely solely on the scale. Track your body composition to see how your fat and muscle are changing. Understanding your body composition is key to why diets fail and how to succeed. Listen to your body. How are you feeling overall? Set performance goals, like running a certain distance or lifting a specific weight. These achievements can be way more motivating than a number on the scale. And remember, be patient. Real lasting change takes time. Focus on making healthy choices and trust that you're on the right track. At the end of the day, your health is about more than just your weight. Take a holistic approach, considering your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Stay tuned, because next, we're diving into how highly processed foods might be holding you back and what you can do about it. By the way, if you find this health tip useful, check out the quiz below to discover the best personalized diet solution for you in just 60 seconds. Within a minute, you'll know exactly what's right for your health and wellness. Highly processed food, the other sneaky saboteur. Let's dive into why highly processed foods might be messing with your calorie deficit and diet goals. Think of processed foods as that one friend who always shows up to the party, eats all the snacks, and never brings anything to share. They're packed with calories, but they won't leave you feeling satisfied. Plus, they're often loaded with added sugars and unhealthy fats, making it easy to go overboard on calories. This is a major reason why diets fail. Processed foods are also appetite boosters. They're low in fiber, which is like showing up to a buffet with a tiny plate. You're not going to feel full and will likely end up overeating. Plus, these foods cause rapid blood sugar spikes followed by crashes, leaving you reaching for more snacks in no time. Let's talk about hormonal imbalance. When your hormones are out of whack, you'll crave sugary and fatty foods like there's no tomorrow. These disruptions lead to increased cravings, especially for those irresistible cookies or chips. It's like your body is saying, hey, remember those cookies? Let's eat a whole box. Speaking of cravings, processed foods can be super addictive. They trigger dopamine release, making them as hard to resist as that catchy song you can't get out of your head. Over time, this can create unhealthy eating habits and sabotage your diet. Another key factor in why diets fail. And let's not forget about metabolism. Eating too many processed foods can slow your metabolism down, making it harder to burn calories and lose weight. It's like driving with the handbrake on. Understanding these factors can provide the motivation you need to understand why diets fail and how to fix it. Then there's gut health. Processed foods can mess with your gut microbiome, leading to digestive issues and making it harder to absorb nutrients and maintain a healthy weight. Lastly, inflammation is another issue. Processed foods can contribute to inflammation, which may lead to weight gain and other health problems. But hey, don't get discouraged. You've got the power to make healthier choices. Steps to beat processed food sabotage. Plan your meals. Plan ahead and incorporate a variety of whole foods. Cooking at home is like being the DJ at your own party. You control what goes in. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues, eat slowly, and savor every bite. It's like taking a mindful walk in the park, but for your taste buds. Prioritize protein and fiber. Lean proteins and fiber-rich foods are like the cool kids who always have your back. They keep you full and satisfied, essential for weight management. Read nutrition labels. Be a detective and look for added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives. Opt for products with fewer ingredients and minimal processing. Stay hydrated. Sometimes you might think you're hungry, but you're actually just thirsty. Drink plenty of water to keep those cravings for processed foods at bay. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to a healthier you and achieving your weight loss or health goals. You've got this. Check out this next video about calorie deficit and weight loss, and we'll see you there. Also, make sure to check out that link in the description for our best recommendations when it comes to calorie deficit and weight loss.